Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis, Velepi decides that enough is enough. In Durban, Gwenzo comes to the rescue of an unhinged loved one. Tulisile and Nelisiwe are unhappy about the praise for helping to snatch the thief. On Tuesday, Pagamani finally confronts Gwenzo, revealing the deep-rooted reason for his hatred. The truth cuts deeper than expected. Nomfundo and Peteni gather the children for a heartfelt discussion. On Wednesday, Gwenzo vows to do the right thing in honor of the family. Velepi watches in horror as what is most dear to her heart is ripped out of her hands. Nomfundo moves into the mansion, but not everyone is happy with this new change. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that Multi Choice has cancelled Sibongile and the Dlaminis.